Let's make red beans brownies. 1 can of red beans. I need like 50 grams of dark chocolate. I use this 100 gram cocoa. I don't like processed sugar, so I really try to use chocolate without sugar. I need like pressed dates. It's like dates, they're just pressed, but you can use also like normal dates. I'm using 250 grams of pressed dates. I'm using oil, rice flour, and spelt flour. And also I need a half of lemon. What I really love about these brownies is that they are packed with proteins and they're really, really easy to make. I just put beans here, dates, squeezing a half of lemon, a little bit of oil. First, I'm going to melt the chocolate. I forgot that. So you can do that as a first step. Now I'm going to mix all this. I'm vegan, so I don't use eggs. Instead of eggs, I use 1 ripe banana. And I'm going to mix that also here. Whoa. My chocolate is starting to melt. That's good. Ooh. I don't need this anymore. I'm going to wash it. Like, I don't know why, but I need to clean right away my working surface. I learned like that. Your working surface needs always to be clean. And of course, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Now we're adding rice flour. A little bit more. Now a little bit spelt flour. And also add 1 spoon of cocoa. But it's optional because I like that chocolatey flavor. Now I'm going to add melted chocolate. Mix it good. Preheat your oven, like 175 Celsius. And I'm making in ceramic bowl. I'm going to put that right away in oven because it needs to be preheated with oven. If it's not, then it can crack. That oven is preheated. We're going to put a little bit oil. See? So now I'm going to spread around a little bit. And I don't use baking paper because baking paper is not the healthiest thing on the world. This needs to be very hot because otherwise it will stick to this ceramic pan. In the oven. And it takes 35 minutes, so now we are waiting. Alessa, kannst du bitte timer für 35 Minuten bitte? 35 minutes are over. Now we are going to check temperature. It needs to be like between 90 and 100 grad Celsius. Mine is like 95. So that means it's over. Now we are going to eat. Cut it down. You can also use knife. Of course, I need to try it straight away. It's so good. It's not sweet too much. If you like a little bit sweeter, you can also add like more dates. But for me, that's perfect.